kindergarten kids being sexually abused in school, leaving everyone dismayed and horrified. Even the president was forced to say enough is enough. However, the very obnoxious mindset that President spoke about once again reared its ugly head. Former Punjab MP Simranjeet Singh Mann today said that the actor and BJP MP Kangana Ranaut has a lot of experience in rape and can explain how rape happens. Now, Mann made this comment when he was asked about the BJP MP's recent remark on the farmers' protest over the now scrapped farm laws. Now, listen in to this shocking comment that has come from the MP in Punjab.
मैं कहना तो नहीं चाहता, रेनॉल्ड साहब को रेप का तो बहुत तजर्बा है, उनसे आगे पूछ सकते हैं कि कैसे होता है रेप, तो लोगों को समझाया जाए कि रेप कैसे होता है।
उनको कैसे तजर्बा है?
तजर्बा जैसे होता है, आप अगर साइकिल चलाते हैं तो साइकिल चलाने का तजर्बा नहीं होता, तो उनको रेप का तजर्बा है।
अगर इस तरह से आर्टिस्ट की जो है वो आवाज़ को दबाया जाएगा और एक फ़िल्म को, मेरी क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी को, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों ने बंदूकें तान दी हैं, हमारे माथे पे रख दी है, तो बंदूकों से तो हम डरने वाले हैं नहीं। और आज मुझे रेप थ्रेट्स भी आ रहे हैं कि कंगना को पता है कि रेप क्या होता है, तो वो मुझे एक तरह से रेप की भी धमकियां दे रहे हैं, तो इस तरह से वो मेरी आवाज़ नहीं दबा सकते हैं।
And as the controversy escalated, Mann defied the former Punjab MP, said on X that he and his party always stood for the safety and security of women and accused Ranaut of levelling false accusation against him. And he charged that she derived some form of thrill in spreading misinformation about Sikhs, farmers and farm labourers. Now, Mann also came out with another post on X later, and this time accusing the Indian state of using rape as institutional weapon against women. Now, trouble is mounting for this former MP in Punjab. Haryana State Commission for Women chairperson has condemned Mann's comments and calling them an insult to India's daughter. Raj Lali Gill, chairperson of the Punjab State Women Commission, has also commented that what Ranaut said on farmer protests is shameful. But what Mann's reaction was even more shameful. But some Congress leaders are still rationalizing the comment. Listen in.
अगर कंगना रनौत के बारे में कुछ लोगों ने ऐसा बोला भी है, मैं असहमत हूँ, तो इस महिला को भी अपनी जुबान पर नियंत्रण रखना चाहिए। क्या महिला को यह कहना ठीक है कि ये किसान बलात्कारी है? एक तरफा होता है क्या? उनको लाइसेंस दे रखा है।
जो आपके पेट को भरता है अन्न पैदा करके, उसके ऊपर आप आरोप लगा रही हैं कि वहाँ रेप होते थे, लाशें टांग दी जाती थी। मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ उस एयरपोर्ट पे जिसकी ड्यूटी लगी थी, कांस्टेबल थी, एक लपड़ इसके चेहरे पे मारा था। इस तरह की वारदात ना हो, यदि बंद कर दे इस तरह पवित्र उद्देश्य से किए गए कार्यों के प्रति भर्त्सना करना। ऐसी महिलाओं पे इन्हें वापस बम्बई लौट जाना चाहिए। राजनीति के रास्ते इनके लिए ठीक नहीं है।
My colleague Niyamika joins us live on the broadcast. Niyamika, we heard the rape comment that was given by the former MP in Punjab, and even after the backlash, he remains defiant. And we also heard the reaction coming from the Congress party leaders. They are also backing him. Give us more details.
Well, yes, that's right. As a controversial statement has been given by the former Member of Parliament, Simranjeet Singh Mann, in which he has made a controversial remark against the BJP MP Kangana Ranaut, in which he has mentioned that she has an experience of rape, and that is why she can only explain that how it feels. And that was the remark which was coming in from the part of the former Member of Parliament, Simranjeet Singh Mann, after Kangana Ranaut had made a comment about the farmers' protest, which was recently being held at the Delhi borders, in which she has mentioned that at that particular point of time there used to be rapes and murders there in the farmers' protest, and that was the only reason why even she had also faced a backlash from all across the country from various opposition leaders. In fact, the BJP had also sidelined itself from the statement which was being given by Kangana Ranaut at that point of time. But the remark which is now coming in on the part of Simranjeet Singh Mann, even politician Kangana Ranaut has also replied to the same, and she has stated in a tweet that it seems this country will never stop trivializing rape. Today, this senior politician compared getting raped to riding a bicycle. No wonder rapes and violence against women for fun is so deep-rooted in the psyche of this patriarchal nation that is casually used to tease or mock women, even if she is a high-profile filmmaker or politician. So that's a strong remark which is now coming in by Kangana Ranaut against Simranjeet Singh Mann, who had made a comment against her, and that's what she has saying. She is saying that this is the psyche which is being there in our country regarding the patriarchal mindset of the people, and that's the only reason why such kind of words are being used against women even till now.
Also, Haryana Women's Commission has also issued a notice to him seeking his apology and giving him a deadline of 5 days. Thanking Niyamika for all the updates. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.